Tax. What is your understanding about tax? Why does government collect tax? What exactly is tax? And why should ordinary Nigerians care? And most importantly, what does this new tax reform really mean for you? In today's video, we are breaking down taxation in Nigeria, simply, clearly, and honestly. No grammar, no government jargon, just facts. If you are a worker, business owner, youth, or citizen trying to understand how tax affects your life, this video is for you. What is tax? Tax is a mandatory contribution that individuals and businesses pay to government to fund public services and national development. In simple terms, tax is money citizens contribute so government can provide things we all use. These include roads, schools, hospitals, security, public services. Tax is not a donation. It is not a favor. It is a civic obligation. Why governments collect tax? No government can function without money. Tax allows government to pay salaries and pensions, maintain infrastructure, provide healthcare and education, fund security and emergency services. Without tax, roads decay, hospitals collapse, schools suffer, security weakens. So taxation is not punishment. It is collective responsibility. Types of tax ordinary Nigerians pay. Most Nigerians encounter taxes such as PAYE, deducted from salaries, VAT, paid when buying goods and services, company income tax, paid by businesses, withholding tax on certain transactions. Even when you don't notice it, tax affects your daily life. Advantages of taxation. Taxation has key advantages. Funds public services. Tax pays for roads and transportation, hospitals and clinics, schools and universities. Promotes national development. It helps government build infrastructure, grow the economy, reduce borrowing, encourages accountability. People who pay tax ask questions, demand transparency, hold leaders accountable. Tax gives citizens a voice. Benefits of tax to ordinary Nigerians. When tax works properly, citizens benefit through better roads, improved healthcare, quality education, job creation, stronger security. In theory, your tax is an investment in your society. Taxation in Nigeria, the reality. Nigeria has historically relied on oil revenue, borrowing. This caused weak tax culture, poor compliance, low public trust, and this is one of the reasons the reform is happening. What does the tax reform mean? The current tax reform aims to broaden the tax base, bring more people and businesses into the tax net, reduce pressure on a few taxpayers, improve efficiency, digital tax systems, less corruption, easier payment, increase revenue beyond oil, reduce dependence on oil, stabilize the economy, strengthen enforcement, reduce tax evasion, ensure fairness. How can ordinary Nigerians benefit? Ordinary Nigerians benefit when taxes are fairly collected, funds are properly used, services are visible. Possible benefits include improved infrastructure, better hospitals and schools, social intervention programs, more employment opportunities. But there is a condition. Tax reform only works if government is accountable. Tax and accountability. The social contract. Taxation creates a social contract. Citizens pay tax. Government delivers services. Citizens demand accountability. When government fails, trust breaks. This is why labor unions, civil society, media, citizens must stay engaged. In conclusion, taxation, when properly managed, is a powerful tool for development. Nigeria's tax reform is meant to strengthen the economy, improve public services, reduce reliance on oil. But without transparency and accountability, tax becomes a burden instead of a benefit. Direct hit FINA. Tax is not oppression. Tax is not punishment. Tax is a right-creating obligation. Once you pay tax, you have the right to demand good governance. If this video helped you understand tax better, thumbs up, like. Speech balloon, share your thoughts in the comments. Bell, subscribe for more civic and labor education. Knowledge empowers citizens. Ignorance empowers bad governance.